cozy bowl of market-inspired butternut squash risotto is a rich and creamy combination of fall season flavors without the cream. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a handful of healthy ingredients into an equally healthy dish, disguised as pure decadence. And I think you're going to love it as much as I do. So let's get started. Peel and cut 1/2 pound of butternut squash into chunks big enough for your food processor. Next, peel and mince 1 clove of garlic. Clean and chop 1 leek. It's really important to make sure it's free of dirt because leeks are notorious for hiding little bits of soil in the stem. Shred the squash. You can use a hand grater, but it's a big job. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large sauté pan and add the chopped leek, cooking until it's wilted and soft, and then add the garlic. Now add 2 cups of Spanish bamba or Italian arborio rice. Follow it up with 4 cups of shredded squash, 2 sprigs of rosemary, and a healthy pinch of sea salt. As soon as everything's well blended, start slowly adding the liquid ingredients, beginning with 1/2 cup of white wine and 5 to 6 cups of hot vegetable broth, 1 ladleful at a time. As long as the broth is hot, the temperature of the rice will stay nice and even as you slowly stir it in. And if you're enjoying the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Wait until each ladleful is completely absorbed before adding another. And I love the bright citrusy flavor of lemon, so I always add the zest and juice of 1 lemon as the risotto comes together. As you finish with the broth, you'll start to see it become incredibly creamy and saucy. Remove it from the heat and let the rice continue to absorb the liquid while you set the table. Top it all off with the crunch of roasted pistachios and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast if you want a vegetarian alternative. And enjoy a cold day with a warm, tasty bowl of butternut squash risotto.